How to view your sales reports in Amazon Seller Central. If you want to understand how your Amazon business is performing, the Business Reports page in Seller Central is where you'll find all the key sales metrics you need. Let's walk through how to view and download your sales reports step by step. Log into Seller Central and then go to Reports and select Business Reports. Here you'll see an overview of important metrics such as total order items for your selected date range, units ordered product sales, average units per order item, average sales per order item. From the left panel, you can select different report types. By date, view your performance over time. By ASIN, see sales performance by specific products or other, additional breakdowns and specialized reports. At the top of the page, you can set the date range you want to analyze, whether it's today, this month, last month, or a custom range. And then you can filter your report further by sales breakdown, marketplace total, business buyers or non-business buyers, or fulfillment channel, Amazon, FBA, seller, FBM, or both Amazon and seller. Once you've customized your view, you can download your business report for deeper analysis or to share with your team. Regularly checking your business reports helps you spot trends, identify bestsellers, and make better inventory decisions. If you want to go beyond just viewing sales reports and actually learn how to find winning products, source them profitably, and grow your Amazon business faster, the OA Challenge is the easiest way to get there. It's a guided step-by-step training on everything you need to know about online arbitrage. Click on the link in the description below to know more.